Welcome to our Autopilot video series. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use the Autopilot to automatically reach out to a customer who has not made a purchase within the first 7 days of signing up, and they just might need a little nudge to make that first purchase. I'm Poch from Intentionally Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. Okay, let's start here from the dashboard, and from here we're going to go down to the Autopilots menu. On the Autopilots menu, we're going to click on the little plus icon here on the top right, and let's click on Create from Template. And we'll choose the very first one, no purchase after 7 days of sign up email. Okay, so this is really cool because it's all built out for you, and all you need to do is just go through it. If you like it, just click on submit or save flight. If you don't like some of the options here, you can change them to your liking. So let's look at the first one, new prospective customer. So this will send affect all customers who have signed in within 10,080 days. If you'd like to make sure their message within business days, all you have to do is check the ensure we're within a time window, and you can put in the time window as to when this trigger will be applied to those customers. Now for the next step, it'll affect all customers that have the email address with the @ sign, which means that all your customers who have an email who signed up within the last 7 days will be affected by this Autopilot. So they'll be sent that notification. Next is what will happen next. They'll be given a coupon. So kindly note that for this example, the coupon put in here is 10 off 30, but please note that you have to create a coupon first for this to be valid and for this to work. Once that coupon is created, then you can put that coupon name here. For this, we're using an example, which is the 10 off 30, which is the customers will get $10 off for the first $30 that they make a purchase on. And lastly, they'll get this promotional email. So they'll get that little nudge, they'll get that little message to them, hey, please make your first purchase, and here's a great deal to make that first purchase. Please note as well, this is fully customizable. So whatever your promo may be, you can customize it to match your email to match that promotion. For more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your online or in-store sales quickly, visit us at intentionallycreative.com.